Right, so this is Hexagon number from book 20, which is the creative, the Christmas crochet book, which has got some fab stuff in it. I've almost finished making this dude, the Santa doorstop. I haven't filmed myself making it, but what I might do is film myself making the, because this is basically just a sock, and then I might film myself making the arms and the hands and the moustache and everything and putting it all together. So the hexagon for this one is really lovely. It's white slate with a little touch of the blush yarn in it. So I'm going to get started on it. I'm going to start with a slip knot. So I do have an absolute beginner's video on my channel to show how to make a slip knot if you don't know how to make one. And we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Join with a slip stitch to make a loop to crochet into, and then we're going to chain 5, and then we're going to double treble into the ring, which is yarn over twice, hook into the ring, pull some yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's a treble stitch in the US. And then chain 1, and then another double treble. So we're going to do 11 double trebles divided by a chain 1, and with our standing chain, that will equal 12 in total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then this one is our standing chain. So we'll just slip stitch into the top of that, and that's what we have. And then we fasten that off. Right, so you end up with this pinwheel effect. Now the second step is to join the slate to any chain 3 space. So these are our chain 3 spaces. I'm going to join it to this one and put my hook in, whoops, loop some yarn over, pull it through, keep hold of the straggler and the working yarn and pull them both through to secure it on. Let my straggler go. Just going to pull off some yarn so I can sew more comfortably, or crochet more comfortably, and then we're going to chain 3. So chain 1, 2, 3, and then do 2 trebles in the same space. So that's doubles in the US. So yarn over into the space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over into the space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And then we just do 3 trebles in every space around. That's doubles in the US. So we yarn over into the space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we just do 3 of those in every space around. 3 and then just join with a slip stitch to the top of that chain 3. And that's that round done. Yarn over, pull through, and then we can just snip off. We've got a circle, sort of a circle anyway. So these little bits that have been sewn in can come off. Just so they're not getting in the way. Right, so then for the next round we're going back to the blush and we're joining it to any one chain space. Well, there aren't any one chain spaces. So we'll just put it in between 2 stitches. So pull it through and fasten it off. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One double crochet in the next space. I guess this is, it means between the groups of 3. So I'm going to pop my hook into that space, pull some yarn through, yarn over and pull through 2. Chain 4. And then I'm going to go into the next group of 3. The double crochet, that's a single crochet in US terms. I'm just going to do that all the way around. So I'm going to join with the slip stitch to this first chain here. And then the yarn over and pull through to fasten off. So now I've got this cartwheel sort of shape with these big loops around it, and they're what we're going to be sewing these white stitches into to get the corners of a hexagon. So we need to go back to our white. Right, so we're going to join the white for round 4 then, and we're going to join it into one of these chain 4 spaces. These are what we're going to be working into this round. So I'm going to put my hook through, grab some yarn over with my straggler and my working yarn, and just pull through to secure my yarn on there. Now into this space for this one we're going to do 3 chains which are going to act as a half treble, and then we're going to do 2 double trebles. That's yarn over twice. It's a double treble in the UK, is a treble in the US. So yarn over twice, hook in, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Sorry, I'm going to do that again. My yarn split and it got a bit messy. Yarn over twice, hook into the chain 4 space, pull up some yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And then we're going to do another one of those. Double treble, and then we're going to do 2 trebles, so yarn over, that's a double in the US, pull through 2 and pull through 2, do another one of those, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and then we're going to do a half treble, so yarn over into the space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Then we're going to do a chain, and then we're going to do a half treble in the next space. So yarn over into the space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3, 2 trebles, yarn over into the space, put up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, do that twice. 2 double trebles, and there we are. And then for the final round, 5th round, I'm going to join the slate again. Join it to the chain 3 space. Join the slate to the chain 3 space. Just put it through as I have done all the other times. And then chain 1. And then I'm going to do a double crochet in the next 4 stitches. So I'm going to start here, one, 2, 3, 4. That's a single crochet in US terms. Then I'm going to do a half treble, which is a half double in US terms. Then I'm going to do a double, crochet, which will go into that the one chain we had. Then I'm going to do a half double, and then I'm just going to put a single or a double crochet into the next 4. And then when I get to the chain space, I'm going to put 1 double, 3 chains and a double. There's the tops, and then I'm going to put 4 doubles again, 2, 3, 4, a half treble, a treble, a half treble, and 4 doubles, 2, 3, 4, and then a double, and there we have it, the cartwheel hexagon. It's a lovely hexagon, isn't it? So we're all up to date now. I am going to do a video on sewing them together and edging them and stuff. I haven't done yet, so I'm going to do one of those. Okay, thanks for watching me, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.